This is how I make picanha steak, sous vide cooked and grilled on the barbecue. This is a beautiful piece of picanha. I'm gonna cut it in 3 steaks. Each steak is about 2 centimeters. Now let's talk seasoning. I'm gonna use some garlic powder, salt, and I used black pepper. Don't forget to do all sides. Now they are ready to go in the vacuum bag. And I always use a double seal. Now it's ready and it can go in its water bath. I put it on 53.5 degrees for 2 hours. That should be enough to make it really tender. And then they are done and they can go on the barbecue. They don't look so good right now, but once grilled, they're gonna look perfect. The barbecue is really hot, 250 degrees. And they will go on for 1.5 minutes each side. And when the flames come, you know it's gonna be good. Now let's see. It's beautiful. It's really pink inside. That's gonna be really tender. Delicious. Look at that. Perfectly cooked. Delicious picanha steak. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked it. And leave me a comment if you had it or want to make it. And subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you, and as always, see you next time.